Rhode Island Lightning. Wow. Several years ago, ladies, I used to coach in the Lightning organization. I brought a lot of this stuff home as well.
Yeah.
Okay, it's exciting when you get to do it. So you're bringing back good memories for me. I'm glad you guys did really well. You kept the hardware, the big hardware in Rhode Island. Okay, thank you. All right. And Mark, congratulations. Great job. Good stuff.
Alright, I'd like to thank my coaches, Mike Andriozzi, Kevin Farag, Jake Lambert,
Jakey boy.
I'm going to pass these down, you guys can pass them out.
Oh, yeah, well, let Jake pass them out.
Alright,
Yeah.
Jake, come on up. Brooke Andriozzi.
Hey, I know her. Brooke, you got to stop for the picture. You got to stand for the picture. Hey, come on. Right here.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, I have to take 12 of these, so none of
Abby Cook. We're skipping you. Look at the backpack.
What are you going, camping or something?
I'm coming to go on the other side, so we're balanced.
Alright, Kayla McNichols.
Kayla. Come on, Kayla. You got to do your dance. Hey, go here. Yeah. Come on, one.
Elizabeth Barrage.
He will do it. He'll do it.
No dance. No dance.
All right. E.
Mara Mahoney. Right in the middle here. This side. There you go. Michaela Lambert.
Whoa, Michaela. I know that last name.
Angela Pasquarello.
Angela.
Finally. Turn around.
He pronounced it perfectly,
5
too.
tournaments to announce it the right way.
All right, Ange.
Rachel Gammons.
Yay! Ray! She loves taking pictures, Rachel.
Abby Anderson.
Abby!
Taylor Paulina.
Taylor! All right, Tay.
Nice weekend, Taylor.
Yeah, great weekend, kiddo.
Juliet Nelson.
Yay! Juliet. She'll dance for us, watch.
Carissa Carlton.
Whoa!
You had a day.
Great job.
Thank you all. Nice job, girls.
Come on, one dance. One dance. Come on, Kayla. You can do it. Come on. Okay. There she goes.
Come on, Kayla.
All right.
Let's go.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, Kayla.
Come on, Kayla. Come on, Kayla. Come on, Kayla. That's good. All right, let's go home.
Shopping cart!
All right, guys.